London, a city that stands as a testament to time, a place where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. A name that echoes through history, resonating with tales of kings and queens, poets and playwrights, revolutionaries and visionaries. It is a city that seamlessly blends the old and the new, where cobblestone streets lead to towering skyscrapers, and ancient buildings stand proudly beside modern marvels. Ancient traditions meet cutting-edge trends, creating a unique tapestry of culture and innovation. From the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace to the latest fashion shows, London is a city of contrasts. Historic architecture stands tall amidst modern skyscrapers, each telling its own story. The Tower Bridge, with its majestic presence, and the Shard piercing the sky, symbolize the city's ability to honor its past while embracing the future. This is the heart of England, a vibrant hub of activity and culture. The streets of Covent Garden buzz with life, while Piccadilly Circus dazzles with its lights and energy. London pulsates with a unique energy, a rhythm that never ceases. As night falls, the city transforms, with Soho's nightlife offering a glimpse into its dynamic spirit. It's a city that never sleeps, always evolving, always captivating. Oxford Street, with its endless stream of shoppers and the London Eye illuminating the night sky, are testaments to its perpetual motion. The River Thames, a historic waterway, winds its way through the city, serving as a lifeline that has witnessed centuries of change. It acts as a constant reminder of London's rich past, with the Tower of London standing guard over its storied history. From the Roman era to the present day, the Thames has witnessed it all. The remnants of Roman walls and ancient structures tell tales of a bygone era. The river reflects the city's ever-changing skyline, a mirror to its growth and transformation. It's a testament to London's ability to embrace the future while honouring its heritage. The blend of modern and historic landmarks reflected in the Thames showcases a city that is ever-evolving yet deeply rooted in its past. London is a true melting pot of cultures. People from all walks of life call this city home. This diversity is one of London's greatest strengths. It creates a vibrant and exciting atmosphere. Walk down any street and you'll hear a symphony of languages. You'll encounter a kaleidoscope of fashion and traditions. From Indian spices to Caribbean rhythms, London embraces it all. This cultural fusion is evident in the city's cuisine, music and art. London's diversity is a testament to its welcoming spirit. It's a city that thrives on the contributions of people from all corners of the globe. London's history stretches back centuries. The city has witnessed empires rise and fall. It has been shaped by both triumph and tragedy. These echoes of the past are visible everywhere you look. Ancient Roman walls stand as a testament to London's enduring legacy. Medieval castles and Victorian-era buildings tell stories of bygone eras. Each historical layer adds to London's unique character. Exploring these historical sites is like stepping back in time. It allows us to connect with the people and events that shape this remarkable city. London is renowned for its iconic landmarks. These architectural marvels draw visitors from around the world. One such landmark is the British Museum, a treasure trove of history and culture. Its vast collection spans continents and millennia. A visit here is a journey through human civilization. Then there's the Tower of London, a historic fortress that has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. Its imposing structure holds centuries of tales within its walls. Westminster Abbey, with its soaring Gothic arches, is another must-see. This grand abbey has hosted coronations and royal weddings for centuries. London's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. With a melting pot of cultures, the city offers an array of flavours and dining experiences that cater to every taste and preference. Whether you're a fan of traditional British fare or looking to explore international cuisines, London has it all. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cosy pubs, there's something to satisfy every palate. The city's fine dining establishments are renowned for their innovative dishes and exceptional service, while its pubs offer a more relaxed atmosphere with hearty, comforting meals. For a luxurious dining experience, the Savoy is a timeless classic. This iconic hotel has been serving guests since 1889 and continues to be a symbol of elegance and sophistication. Its restaurants offer a blend of traditional and contemporary cuisine, ensuring a memorable dining experience. Its elegant ambience and exquisite cuisine have made it a favourite among celebrities and royalty for decades. The Savoy's rich history is evident in its decor and the impeccable service provided by its staff, making every visit feel like a special occasion. For something more contemporary, Sketch offers a unique and whimsical dining experience. This avant-garde restaurant is known for its artistic interiors and imaginative menu, which pushes the boundaries of traditional dining. Its pink, plush interiors and avant-garde menu are sure to impress. Each room within Sketch has its own distinct theme, providing a visually stunning backdrop for the culinary creations that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the palate. And of course, no food lover's trip to London is complete without a visit to Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. This world-renowned chef has made a significant mark on the city's culinary landscape with his exceptional French cuisine and dedication to perfection. Known for its exceptional French cuisine and impeccable service, it's a true culinary destination. The restaurant's menu features a range of meticulously crafted dishes that highlight the finest ingredients, and the attentive service ensures that every guest feels like a VIP. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply indulging in a gourmet meal, Gordon Ramsay's restaurant promises an unforgettable dining experience. While London's culinary scene is incredibly diverse, no trip to the city is complete without sampling some traditional English dishes. Fish and chips, a classic British staple, is a must-try. The crispy battered fish paired with golden fries is a true comfort food. For a true taste of English tradition, indulge in a Sunday roast. This hearty meal typically consists of roasted meat, Yorkshire pudding, roasted vegetables and gravy. Finally, no visit to London is complete without experiencing afternoon tea. This beloved tradition includes delicate finger sandwiches, freshly baked scones with clotted cream and jam, and a selection of fine teas. London is a city steeped in symbolism. From its ancient roots to its modern skyline, every corner of this metropolis tells a story. Iconic images immediately spring to mind when we think of this great city. Big Ben, with its timeless chimes, stands as a guardian of history, while Tower Bridge, with its majestic spans, connects the past with the present. The Union Jack, the national flag of the United Kingdom, is a powerful symbol of unity and heritage. Its design, a combination of the crosses of the patron saints of England, Scotland and Ireland, reflects the union of these nations. Its bold red, white and blue design can be seen flying proudly throughout the city. Whether on government buildings, historic sites or during national celebrations, the Union Jack is a constant reminder of the country's rich history and enduring spirit. The London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel situated on the south bank of the Thames, offers breathtaking views of the city. As it slowly rotates, it provides a unique perspective on London's sprawling landscape, from the ancient streets to the modern skyscrapers. Its modern design has become a symbol of London's progress and innovation. Since its opening in 2000, the London Eye has become an integral part of the city's skyline, representing the forward-thinking nature of its inhabitants. These symbols represent the spirit of London, a blend of tradition and modernity, history and progress. From the cobblestone streets of the old city to the gleaming towers of the financial district, London is a city that honours its past while embracing the future. Each landmark, each symbol, tells a part of the story of this vibrant, ever-evolving city. London has been home to countless influential figures throughout history. From renowned writers and musicians to brilliant scientists and visionary leaders, the city has always attracted exceptional individuals. In the realm of entertainment, London boasts a star-studded cast of actors and actresses. Tom Hiddleston, known for his captivating portrayal of Loki in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, hails from London. Daniel Radcliffe, who rose to fame as Harry Potter, is another Londoner who has made his mark on the world stage. Emma Watson, beloved for her role as Hermione Granger, is yet another example of London's acting talent. London is a city that defies easy definition. It's a place where history and modernity collide, where tradition and innovation thrive side by side. From its iconic landmarks and world-class museums to its vibrant culinary scene and diverse population, London offers an unforgettable experience for every visitor. As you wander through its bustling streets and soak up its unique atmosphere, you'll quickly discover why London is considered one of the greatest cities in the world. It's a city that will captivate your senses, ignite your imagination, and leave a lasting impression on your heart.